Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, welcome to the Backpacktrader Crude Oil Inventory Report session for Wednesday, September 28th. Please note the required risk disclosure statement. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered financial advice. So let's see where we're going this morning. Crude on the 8-tick momentum bar, or 8-cent momentum bar, 8-tick range bar, depending on your platform. On the right there, counterpunch 377 tick chart on crude on the lower left, and unleaded gas 20 tick range bar, 0.002 momentum bar, depending on your platform. Good morning, Johnny. All right, there's the and there is the reaction this morning. That's more reaction. Pretty good size reaction range this morning. 87, about 50 cents. Good morning, Miles. Now, waiting our 2 minutes. Still in the first minute. All right, there's a possible trade. Went too far. So looking for a new setup. All right, about 15 seconds to our session start, or to our trading start time. Potential short trade. Okay, that one went too far, went to money management and stopped out. So looking for a new setup. And there's a setup for a long at 86. And that sets up target 1, target 2, and our stop. And a quick target 1. So that will be a one and done session. And our stop moves to 87. And stopping out. So target 1 and the break even stop. One and done session. So let's see if see what's going on. Okay. So yeah, we're in the get in sync trade on Counterpunch, trailing at 80.74 now. The entry was at 80.67. Target is 43 ticks at 81.10. And we hit money management at target 1, 80.95. So trailing now, trying to reach target 2, but we're at least picking up 7 ticks on our 2 positions. Spotlight is done. Unleaded gas. And unleaded gas is done, it looks like now. Waited a while. We got a short at 43.28. Target 1 was 42.96. Target 2, 42.78, depending on which you're trading. It hit both. And looks like the stop was 43.18. So one and done for unleaded. 80.80 looks like what? 80.83 is our stop on Counterpunch. And pushing up through target 2. So that will be a POQ on Counterpunch as well. 80.89 for the current stop. Unleaded finished on that short. And that's how I trade it, using the chart trader. You saw me put the order in on the entry. It triggered in. I moved my targets to target 1 and target 2, and my stop to the stop down here. And just when it pulled back to the stop, I went ahead and moved my stop up manually to the break even stop. And before I could attach the order to that trailing stop indicator, it had already stopped out. So didn't get a chance to show that. But that's how quickly things go. And it looks like, yep, Counterpunch stopped out at 80.94 from 80.67, 27 ticks on the trailer and 43 on target. So successful morning. All 3 charts one and done. Any questions? That was a quick session. 7 minutes for counterpunch, less for spotlight on crude and unleaded on crude, on spotlight rather. Spotlight on unleaded and spotlight on crude finishing fairly quickly, as did counterpunch, just not quite as quickly. Looked like almost everybody came over from our original room this morning. You're quite welcome, Crypticon. And that was a nice session, and that's the kind of session we like. Get in, take our profit, and get out. It would have been nice to see it move a little bit further in our favor and go. Target 2 would have been nice. So we picked up 11 ticks to target 1 and 1 on the trailer for 12 ticks total, $120 trade on 2 positions, 1 contract per position. Have a good one, Pamela. Hope you enjoyed your late lunch. And I am going to call it a morning then. Success on the crude oil inventory report. And note that it's now testing the high of the reaction range on crude. We bounced up. The reaction range was at 73. We bounced up to 81.19 now and back down into the 80-70 range. So onward to the rest of your day. Everyone have a good one. And thank you for tuning in. Please do hit the like button if you feel you're getting benefit. And we will see everybody tomorrow morning, 9:30.